All right. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chukunon So Captures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. We are back in Photo Lab for another camera or photography tutorial. All right, so shout out to all my start over. Scratch that. Cut. Okay. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chukunon So Captures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. Welcome back to Photo Lab and welcome back to another YouTube video. Shout out to all my clients out there. You are appreciated. Special thanks to all the models and muses out there. You keep me inspired. We got one in studio. One love to all my supporters on social media. You keep me going. All right, so today we're gonna do something a little bit special. I did a flash gel, like a colored flash gel video previously, right? And that was flashlight. That was kind of like instantaneous bursts of light, and I showed you how that worked. Today I'm going to do a continuous lighting. It's not instantaneous, it's a continuous lighting photo shoot with colors as well too. So there's kind of like pros and cons to both, right? As you know, when you take a picture using flash, it's probably a little bit underexposed, or it's just not as bright. It's probably completely, dark to your camera's perspective. And what you do is when you take the picture with, when your camera goes chakon with the flash, what happens is that's the time when you see how the colors of light, if you're using color gels, that's when you see when it's hitting the subject, right? So from a workflow perspective, you won't actually see what the final composition looks like, how the subject looks, until you've taken the picture, right? That might be the look that you want because flash has a dramatic effect, but if you want to see how the light is hitting the subject in different directions, like let's say you have red coming from this direction and purple coming from another direction, a good way to do that in real time is to use continuous lighting. See, I have continuous lights here in studio. They're just regular soft white lights, right? Regular soft white lights in studio, and I can see how they're hitting Anya. Oh, by the way, this is Anya. How they're hitting Anya in real time. We thank her for being in Photo Lab with us today. I'm gonna link her IG in the description down below, so check her out. She does a lot of modeling. She's really great at it. Also featured in Igbo Name of the Day as well too. So, is that your phone ringing? Yeah. I should have said quiet on the set before we started. Yeah, guys, she's fired. I'm never using her again. So what we're going to be doing today is using continuous lighting so that I can show you how a photo shoot workflow like that works, and I guess the benefits of using continuous lighting. I use both, but continuous lighting can also be interesting too. So for this shoot, I'm going to link these down in the description below. I think I got these on Amazon. I think they're from a seller called X Dreams. And these are just multicolored light bulbs, right? These are light bulbs that you can buy off of Amazon, and they come with a nice remote here. And you can basically change the light bulbs to any color of the rainbow. So that's a pack of 8. And what you do is when you have your soft box here in studio, you just unscrew the lights that are here in your soft box, and you just screw these in. So pretty basic, pretty simple. I'm going to demonstrate how that's done. These light bulbs run kind of hot, so I'm just going to put gloves on and just unscrew one and screw one in so you can see what I'm talking about, right? Okay. I'm just going to do one for the sake of this video. Alright, so I've screwed all of them in, right? And I turned it on. And as you can see, this remote control lets you change all the different colors you want, every different color of the rainbow. Every once in a while, it does this odd thing where like they'll all be the same, like 3 of them will be a good color, and then 1 of them will just be off. Like I don't know if you can see that on YouTube, but I got like 3 purple and then 1 orange. It comes in a pack of 8, so maybe I'm like mixing them up. Maybe I'm not putting the right ones in the right things, but either way, if you just keep hitting the button, it'll do what it's supposed to do, right? So this is how it looks. And then now I'm just gonna cut to a scene where I'm gonna do some shoots with Anya, and then you'll see some behind the scenes of how it works in real time. All right, you guys ready? All right. Let's go.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
All right, wasn't that fun? I hope you guys had as much fun watching this video as we had making it for you. So, if you have any questions about that or any comments, or just anything that you noticed about doing a continuous flash photo shoot, please let us know down in the comment section below. Please like this video. Let me know the types of lighting setups that you use. Do you like continuous lights more? Do you like flash lighting? You know, strobes and things like that, like I demonstrated to you. From a workflow perspective, as you could see during the shoot, I could see exactly the way the light was hitting Anya, and I could ask her to adjust for a certain creative feel in the photo shoot. So that's the advantage of using continuous lighting. You get more like instant feedback as to what you're doing. Flash is really good too because it's more dramatic, but let us know in the comment section down below what you like to use more often and why you like using it, right? So please share this video with a friend. Continue to support this YouTube channel by subscribing to it and hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. So special shout out to Anya for being here with us, and she was a great sport, great model. Love working with her. So Anya, where can they find you?
You can find me on Instagram at it's Anya, ITSAN 4Ys A. It's Anya.
All right, so check out her Instagram. She's a great model. So yeah, let me know if you also want to model as well too. But yeah, that basically does it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shooting, my friends. All right. Really nice remote control, and you can basically tell the light bulbs that you screw in to essentially be any color of the rainbow. All right. So, and I mean, I can demonstrate for you really quick how to do it, but I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna put on some gloves because these tend to be kind of, these tend to run kind of hot. So I'm going to basically unscrew all 4 of these and then screw in. I hope I'm still in frame. Yeah, Anya's laughing at me. I hope I'm still in frame. And then screw in all 4 of these. So I'm just gonna screw in one just so you see that it's just like any other regular light bulb. And then, if I could even screw it in right. How many photographers does it take to screw in a light bulb? Don't answer that.
Hot joke of the day.
You say quarter joke of the day? All right, so but that's basically what it looks like. I'm just gonna cut this right here, and I'm gonna show you what the finished result is. All right. All right. Okay, I'm sorry. I like what I felt. All right, wasn't that fun? I hope you guys had as much fun watching this video as we did making it for you, right? So that was just a quick demo of how you can do, get creative and do like a continuous light flash photo shoot. And not flash photo shoot, a continuous light, just color shoot, you know what I'm saying? And demonstrate for you how, like in real time, you can see what the model in this situation, Anya, kind of looks like in real time, so that you can adjust. She picked, 2 of her favorite colors, yellow and blue it was, right? So yeah, so that's how it is. Doing these types of shoots is really fun. You can get really creative with it, and it just gives you a little bit more creative freedom and flexibility, you know what I'm saying? Whether you want to do flash or continuous colored lighting. All right, so yeah, did you have fun, Anya?
I did, I always do.
Okay. All right, so Anya can be found on Instagram. I'm gonna link it in the description below, like I said before. What's your Instagram?
Oh.
She forgot. It's Anya, right? With like a bunch of Y's.
Like, how many Y's?
3 Y's.
I can't remember how many Y's. It's something.
All right. Well.
3 or 4.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna link it in the description. But yeah, if you enjoyed, this might be take 1 or take 2. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment below about just what your thoughts are and if you learned something new. What do you prefer to use? Do you prefer to use continuous lighting for certain types of shoots, or do you like using flash gel? So please like this video, continue to support this YouTube channel. Subscribe, hit the bell button so you can get a notification anytime I drop a new video, and share this with a friend who's interested in photography as well. So I hope you guys had a lot of fun. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Happy shooting, my friends.